What's up, guys? Too Steezy here. I keep getting video requests if I can do a dollar store DIY build. Um, so I decided I would show you guys one of my favorite builds that's about $3 to make. You're gonna need to pick up one of these bamboo cutting boards from the dollar store and get you a pallet. We're gonna be using hot glue, and if you have any old stickers, we're gonna need those. So the first thing you'll do is kind of set them together like this without any glue. I kind of like mine like this because then I can use it for a number of different ramps. So kind of get an idea where you want it. And then now real quick we're going to add the hot glue. So we kind of started adding the glue. Just kind of make sure that it's even how you want it before. Because what I do is I put a little thin layer of glue, kind of like welding. Then once it's adhered, I'll wait and then I'll go back and add more if that's the way I want it. If it's not the way I want it, I'll go back and change it. So what I'm going to do right now is add more glue. Then once you've got it glued, I go ahead and take, like if I have any little Tech Deck stickers lying around, I'll take those off and, I'll either decorate one side or the other. Get a little sticker action going on there. Decorate it pretty nice. It's all glued up. So the next thing you want to do, now that it's glued up, might need more glue on mine, but it's good for the most part. Once you get it where you want it, take some of your stickers. I couldn't find the ones I actually wanted to use. I had some bigger ones, but gotta use what you got. So I'm going to take the stickers, kind of put them like that. Sticky tack would help with this too. I'll probably do that too. Like once I have my stickers on here, I'll probably take a little bit of sticky tack right here and just take a little piece to put under the obstacle. That way it gives it a little support not to move all around. It's way better. Give a little support there. Get your stickers. Finish doing that. And what that's gonna do is now that you have all that set up, now you got yourself a little ramp. Oh, very first try. These are fun though, man. When I first got into fingerboarding, everybody wanted stuff like this. But this is the D.I.Y. You can also move it, use it as a launch ramp. I kind of like using it just like a little transfer though, a little transition. But you guys see what I mean. That's all I wanted to illustrate in this video. I hope you guys are having a very wonderful 2023. One love and stay steezy.